So I contacted my ortho doctor and asked what could we do. I was told, let's try medication. Um, we tried that, a steroid injection, and that did not work. So then I asked, well, what can we do next? What other options do we have? And they said, well, surgery is an option. And I said, well, I'm a caregiver for my mother, so surgery right now is not an option for me. So is there anything else we can look at? And that then they brought up possibly seeing Dr. Randolph and receiving the low dose radiation. Well, it was kind of funny because a couple of days before they mentioned Dr. Randolph to me in the messaging back and forth, my husband and I had actually seen an interview on Channel 12 with Dr. Randolph where he talked about the low dose radiation therapy for osteoarthritis. So when I received the message with his name in it, I immediately felt, wow, there's a connection right there because I had just been introduced to him via the interview on TV. So I decided to try that. And so at that point, I called, they had the office call me so that I could make an appointment to come in and talk with Dr. Randolph about the possibility of doing the low dose radiation for the osteoarthritis in my knee. That was how it began.